All right, we've got a really useful video today. We're going to be talking about drop and keep. So we've got two data sets here, SetA and SetD. We're going to use each one of these data sets to demonstrate how to keep variables and how to drop variables. So what do I mean by this? Well, let's start by taking a look at SetA. So SetA has four variables, var_a, var_b, var_c, and var_d. And we want to create a new set from SetA, that being SetB, but we're only interested in var_a, var_b, and var_c from the original SetA. So we're going to use this keep function right here in the data step. So we're going to say data, create SetB, and keep variables a, b, and c. As far as d is concerned, we don't need it. No commas in between the variables, just make sure they have a space between each one. So let's go ahead and run this bit of code. And as you can see, we now have our new set, SetB, which contains only the variables that we're interested in from SetA, those being var_a, b, and c. Now this can also be achieved using this bit of code right here. In this case, we're creating SetC, which as you can see hasn't been created yet. We're utilizing SetA to create that new set. And again, we're only interested in variable a, b, and c. So what happens to var_d? We don't care. We just don't want it in our new data set C. So let's go ahead and run this bit of code. And as you can see, SetC has been created and it only has var_a, b, and c in it. And this differs from the original SetA, which had a, b, c, and d. So again, d did not make its way over to SetC. So that is keeping variables. Now let's talk about dropping variables. So we have our original data set, SetD. Let's take a look at that real quick. So SetD only has three variables, a, b, and c. And what we want to do is we want to create a new set, that being SetE. But in this case, instead of specifying the variables we wanted to keep, we want to specify variables which we want to drop or eliminate from our new set. So var_a, b, and c from SetD will not be making the journey. However, we will be making a new variable, variable d, and variable d is going to be the sum of the original a and b from SetD. So again, let's take a look at SetD. We want a, b, and c gone in our new set that we'll be creating, SetE, but we want to create a new variable in SetE which will stand alone, variable d, and that will be the sum of var_a and var_b. So let's go ahead and run this bit of code right here. And we have our new set, SetE. And so this new variable var_d is again the combination where the sum of a and b from our original set, but we didn't want those variables themselves. We wanted to drop those variables. We just wanted the sum of those variables as a new variable, var_d. So this also can be accomplished with this bit of code here. And we have, again, our SetD, which was the original set. We're creating from it SetF. We only want one new variable, which is var_d, which is going to be the sum of the original var_a and var_b from SetD. And we want to drop a, b, and c. We don't want those in our new set. We only want the sum of these two variables, a and b. So SetF created correctly. Let's take a look at it. And there you go. var_d is simply the sum of the original var A and var B from our set D. Put those side by side. So that's how you would do it. You have the option of either specifying which variables you'd like to keep from your old set when you're creating a new set, or you could specify which variables you'd like to drop. Those variables will be removed, and only the variables which you did not drop will remain. So really useful stuff. And I'm sure it's relatively straightforward. You'll learn it rather quickly if you didn't learn it already just from watching this video. So with that, I wish you a wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you next time.